Hi guys, this is Josias, and today is get my toy. It's a toy.
We're gonna do an unboxing.
An unboxing. So now let's open it.
I think let me help you there. Oh, you need to cut over here. Always use an adult for this, right?
Not use as the kids, or you can cut yourself.
There you go. It's cut.
Yeah, let's open it here.
You need some help to open it. You need to open like this.
Whoa, do you see it? Do you see it?
Easy.
Help me.
Pull it from here. Pull it from here. Yep. There you go.
You see the car?
Whoa. Ooh, the remote.
The remote.
Is it a nice remote?
Yes, it's a nice remote.
Okay. It has batteries?
I don't know.
No, don't put it right there. It can fall down. Put it over here. Put it over here. The remote. Okay, let's see.
Broken, huh?
Oh, it brought rechargeable batteries and a screwdriver.
Well, I need a screwdriver.
A screwdriver? Yep.
See a screwdriver?
And some USB connection. I think that's to recharge the batteries. It's really good because you don't need to buy the batteries. You just need to recharge them. That's the only thing. There's nothing else here. Check the box.
Let's see.
Oh, the instructions.
The instructions is really important. The instructions.
Okay, there's nothing else.
Nope.
Oh, what is that over there?
Oh, it's a card.
Is it a sticker?
No.
Oh no, this is I don't know. Just to how to submit a product review. Oh, to review the product to see how is it. Okay.
So now I like the remote. It's really cool.
You like the remote?
Yes, it's really cool. It's
Okay.
like a video game I can play. So now let's...
Okay. First, then, where's the screwdriver? Where do you put it?
Oh, it's here.
Okay. So now we need to.
Really careful with the screwdriver.
Okay.
It's super lit.
Okay. Over here, we need to put the batteries, right?
I think
And
so.
as you can see, this opens like this. Whoa. But I'm not gonna do it because we need to work. It can break. So we need to put the batteries over here, right? And we need to put the batteries over here. Okay. So we're gonna stop the video now. I'm gonna put the battery and then we're gonna test it out. Okay.
Okay.